Hi, this is a concept that I am developing as a real estate postgraduate student from University of Aberdeen. So our platform is netzerocarbon.com. What we are intending to do is we are trying to connect emitters and offsetters through blockchain and also streamline all the offsetting companies processes through blockchain. For example, there is an emitting company and they are emitting 100 tons of carbon, so they want to offset their carbons. So what they can do is they can purchase 100 basic tokens. We issue tokens, that our platform issue tokens, 100 basic tokens. That basic token has an amount. That amount can be will be invested through this to these offsetters through a blockchain platform. There is another separate video is there that you can see how the MVP works and how the tokens are being issued. Okay, this is a concept, so that they can buy 100 tokens and the 100 tokens amount, the amount of money will be invested in these offsetting companies. For their basic tokens, we issue basic tokens to them. So when these offsetting companies performs well and when they do their offsettings, so they can monitor how their token works, how this the offsetting process is going on, what's the basic share and all they can monitor. So at the same time, that basic tokens we create a platform for that, like a share market platform or a cryptocurrency platform. Like that, we create a carbon crypto platform. In that, they can trade their tokens, right? They can trade their tokens. There are so many offsetting companies will be there. There will be so many emitters. So we issue so many basic tokens. For example, there's a company, offsetting company A, B, C. So there will be basic tokens will be issued for A basic token, B, C, like that. So they can use these basic tokens and they can trade. If the company, when the emitting company is invested in company A, and when the company A performs well, the basic tokens of A the value of the basic token A will be increase, so that they can trade. So for example, there's another company, offsetting company B, their performance is poor, so the value of the basic token will be reduced. So there will be a market fluctuation according to the market trend. They can trade. So it can create, at the same time, this emitter works on their own and they work towards net zero. For example, there is a shopping mall and they produce 100 tons of carbon, and at the same time they invest in solar panels, and they reduce their carbon emission by every year. So we want to reward them, right? There's a rewarding process is there. So we say that is a utility token. So whatever the net zero carbon token receive some amount of profit, right? So from that profit, we will issue a small amount of money to incentivize them. Not in a money format, in a fiat currency. We use a utility token like a like cryptocurrencies. We issue them. Either they can sell those either they can sell those tokens, utility tokens, to our platform and they can get money, or at the same time they can trade their utility tokens and basic tokens in the platform. So this is the basic concept. So the rewarding process, there will be a platform there to trade. So we can motivate the emitters to do more, to contribute more to the offsetting system, and the offsetting companies also companies is simply get what do you call the investment. They can sell their shares. In the meantime, there's a main key object is we want to regulate these offsetting companies, because always there's a claim these offsetting companies are greenwashing they are not doing what they are promising, like that. Nowadays now people are when the people are getting ready to invest in offsetting companies, the problem comes, the offsetting companies are not performing well what they are because anyhow the offsetting companies performs well, we couldn't track any of them because the emitters couldn't track. So that when we bring the blockchain into the offsetting companies, and we can, if we can link those offsetting companies process and method, or how to measure these things into our platform or into a blockchain, so everyone, that there will be a transparency, so everyone can see what's happening there, so there will be a trust, so more people will invest. So what we are expecting to regulate these offsetting companies as well, their processes, because already they are regulated anyhow, there will be a misconcept. So we want to remove the misconcept, and we want to bring the offsetting blockchain platform into their system, offsetting company system. All these things are at the conceptual stage, and we developed an MVP to create tokens and everything, but there is a huge task in regulating offsetting companies and bringing blockchain into their system. So offsetting companies should cooperate with us, and they want to share their information, and we want to write a very what do you call, what very good coding and blockchain coding. So there will be so many things to be done. So at these are only at the conceptual stage, right? And we developed an MVP also, that is, I'll explain that MVP. For further discussions are going on. When we get more details, I'll upload the videos. Thank you.